In today's snooker coaching video, you will learn the proper way how to play with the stun run through shot. Snooker professionals are very good in this type of shots. If you master this type of shots, you can have extremely precise cue ball control. So without any further ado, let's start! Long shot, stun follow exercise. So here I have straight cue ball and red ball at the one line. My goal is to put the red and stun follow the shot so that I put it cue ball a little bit below black ball spot, so I could make position for the yellow ball. So goal is to show you the right cue action, how to do this exercise in the right way, and which cue ball height to play to have a nice stun follow shot. Okay, so this is the straight shot. The shot how to play in the right way with the cue ball height. So this is the right way to play it. Cue ball is below black ball spot. I can easily make position for the yellow ball. So I will show you my cue action right now. Grip hand and follow through position. You will improve stun follow cue ball control in the long distance. So see you in the next episode. Screwback shots are one of the most difficult shots in snooker. You need to have really good cue action if you want to play these shots in the right way and be consistent. In this coaching video, I will give you tools how to play screwback shots in the right way. Practice like a pro and be the best. Let's begin.
I'm gonna show you the right way how to have amazing screwback shot. Look to my cue action. It's not the power that you don't have to play it hard and squeeze the grip. You have to just play weight of your cue, maximum backswing, and deliver with the acceleration. Aiming, slow long backswing, and the shot. You see? I played without any power, and I still had an amazing position for the black ball. Still, I played very nice shot, little bit close to the cushion. Doesn't matter. Okay, position for the blue ball. And perfect position for the blue ball. And now I can play easily for the two reds who are left on the table. So here was ABC snooker coach Vilius Schulte-Ebert. Thank you for watching. I hope after this episode you will have better screwback, and see you on the next episode.
If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.